Grieving a lifetime of memories is an immense emotional trial, made infinitely heavier by the sudden demand to summarize a legacy on a single blank piece of paper. The clock is constantly ticking against the immediate pressure of funeral arrangements. The traditional result is a folded paper program, a fragile, temporary document asked to carry the weight of a permanent life story. Over decades, these pages fade, suffer water damage, or quietly disappear into forgotten drawers. There is a way to bypass this logistical anxiety, replacing the fragility of paper with the permanence of engineered digital dignity. This is Virtual Obits. It acts as a compassionate digital partner, absorbing the stressful mechanics of writing and formatting so families can focus entirely on the memory. The blank page is replaced by a guided 8-step sequence that captures essential milestones without overwhelming the user. It systematically gathers family history and life achievements. Then, the integrated Gemini 3 Flash intelligence transforms those raw notes into a beautifully polished, full-length biographical narrative. It can instantly compose touching 4-stanza poems. The entire tone adapts on command, shifting from a solemn traditional honoring to a lighthearted celebration of life. Yet, beautiful words often highlight the absence of a perfect, high-resolution photograph to grace the cover. The system answers this by generating custom, text-free cover art driven by simple input. A quiet request can summon a peaceful sunrise over a calm lake to match the mood of the service. Creation happens within a dynamic dashboard, offering real-time editorial control and an instant live preview. The results are instantly formatted across 15 elegant, print-ready themes. Simultaneously, the system publishes an always accessible permanent digital flipbook directly to the cloud. Grounding the tone, a digital memory in the cloud is a beginning, but human grief still seeks a physical place to mourn, requiring an anchor between a digital legacy and the real world. This physical connection is forged through the eternal QR plate. Forged from marine-grade stainless steel, this hardware is explicitly engineered to outlast human lifescans. The surface is engraved with 60-watt high-contrast fiber lasers. It is built to withstand extreme environmental conditions for up to a century outdoors. To remain permanent, these plates must survive the constant thermal shock of the cemetery environment. Monument builders can achieve this through structural integration, recessing the plates directly into the stone. Industrial-grade adhesives offer a non-brittle alternative designed to ignore the seasons. This is the ultimate convergence, an indestructible living bridge between the quiet permanence of a cemetery and a globally accessible life story. The final result is a beautifully preserved legacy, available from anywhere on Earth. What once demanded hours of agonizing writing and logistical stress has been distilled into mere minutes of guided, meaningful reflection. Step away from the burden of the blank page. Begin the first memorial with Virtual Obits today and ensure a loved one's story is told with the dignity it deserves.